3.
Hai, Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera, salam Unimasku sayang. Good morning, good evening and good night. My name is Adilah Atifah Binti Amran, Matric number 63021, and this is a video on a reflection video on assignment 1. Okay, so first off, I'm going to talk about the importance of nitrogen cycle. So basically, nitrogen cycle is where the atmospheric nitrogen is converted into substance such as ammonia so that it can be absorbed by the organism. Some of the processes in nitrogen cycles are nitrogen fixation, nitrification, and denitrification. So the importance of nitrogen cycles are it helps to balance the water pH, enhance the ecosystem, and balance the nitrogen in water so the nitrogen will not be depleted. Second is sulfur cycle. So sulfur cycle started when factory residue releases sulfur to atmosphere, then it will combine with water vapor to form sulfide. So when it falls down to the river and flow to the ocean, it will be absorbed by phytoplankton or aquatic plants. The importance of sulfur cycle are maintain water quality, enhance the growth of phytoplankton, balance the pH water, and also increase the rate of photosynthesis. The third one is phosphorus cycle. So phosphorus is formed from decayed organism. So it undergoes neutralization to produce organic phosphate. The importance of phosphorus cycles are the limiting nutrient and vector helps to increase the rate of photosynthesis, and it also helps to increase the population of microorganisms. Phosphorus cycles also can lead to eutrophication. Next is the carbon cycle. So the ocean are sometimes called carbon sink because it takes more carbon in than it gives out. So the carbon incorporated in marine organism. Carbons that are incorporated in marine organism are as organic matter or as structural calcium carbonate. So the importance is that it helps to balance the carbon in the marine system and also maintain the nutrient cycle. Next after that is silicon cycle. So when silicon cycle happens when it's raining, the silicon will dissolve into the water. Like the silicon in rocks is in crystalline form, so when the rain falls, it will dissolve and become silicic acid. So when it's in the ocean diatom consume the silicic acid and the remaining will stay in the ocean. The importance is that it helps to balance ecosystem diatom and non-diatom, build up the silicon wall. And next is the factors controlling the saltiness of seawater. So salinity, the surface salinity at the ocean depends on the evaporation and precipitation. The surface salinity on a different region depends on different factors such as at coastal region, the the salinity is influenced by the freshwater flow from the river, while in polar region is influenced by the thawing of ice. Next, wind. Wind is also one of the factors that influence salinity, as it transfer the water to other areas. Next, salinity, temperature, and density are related to each other. So when one factor changes, then it will influence the salinity of mak kau jap.
3.
And the last one is the solids in aquatic environment, the factors and importance of solids. Higher concentration of suspended solids can serve as carrier of toxic as it clings to the suspended particles. So high level of solids can clog the irrigation device. So when there's so high level of solids, it can cause the irrigated plant roots to lose water rather than to gain water. And the concentration of total dissolved solid affects the water balance in the cell of aquatic ecosystem. So for examples, when we put organisms in water that has low level of solids, it will swell. So because the water will be absorbed into the organism, while organisms that are put in water with high level of solids will shrink because the water will be forced out of the organisms. And that is all. So in conclusion, by doing this assignment, we can know the importance and how does we can know the cycle that happens in the marine system, the importance and the factors that causes it. We also know what affects what is the factors of salinity, and I hope that I can answer it well in exams. Thank you, Dr. Farah.